purpose of the alignment rods with just two on the ground here is to help you set up properly and help make sure that your feet, knees, hips, and shoulders are all parallel to the line of where you're trying to hit the ball. So what you're seeing is you're seeing this alignment rod close to the ball, aligned at the flag, which is where I'm trying to hit the ball. And then you're seeing this alignment rod parallel to that, and that's going into that bunker there on the left-hand side of the green. The biggest misconception that you have at home is that you believe that you should take your body and align it to where you're trying to get the ball to go. And what would make no sense is if I was trying to hit the ball 3 feet in front of this one, that I would align myself to that. But if I was going to that flag down there, I would have a completely different alignment. It's the same alignment regardless of how far your target is away from where the ball is. So what we want is we want parallel lines. I want all the lines of my feet, knees, hips, and shoulders all to be parallel to where I'm trying to get that ball to go. So I've got that set up at that flag out there. Now I get in here and I'm looking down, make sure that my feet are parallel to this alignment rod there, and then I want my knees parallel to that, hips and shoulders all parallel, and then I'm going to hit the ball. All right, so that's how you set the alignments up properly to help you with your game.